I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at RealMoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV.
Today, let's look at Cliffs Natural Resources, RenRen, and Intel. First, let's start off with Cliffs. Cramer was talking about this stock last night on Mad Money. He thinks this is a stock that's a go-to stock right now. He thinks this is going higher. I just about agree with him. Here's why. I mean, we're really, really close here. Look at what happened at the 200-day moving average. In fact, hey, look what happened there. Ooh, look what happened there. Look what happened there, and look what happened there. What happened? Support, resistance, resistance, bam, resistance again. So this has been a key indicator. It's been very, very important moving average. The 50-day moving average is about to kind of knife through there. A little bit of a golden cross, and not quite so much just because it's basically this has been flat, this has been flat. They're just kind of drifting together. But what does that really mean? Guys, it really means that this is a base. I mean, you do the math. That's exactly what happens when 2 moving averages drift together with some pretty darn flat slopes. Means that the price has just been trickling sideways. So this stock, even though it's gone from 58 up to 71 or so in a very short period of time, isn't necessarily overbought. It's not necessarily extended. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to watch this stock. If it closes above this level, then take a little bit of it. Don't take a whole bunch because it has failed in the past, but take a little bit of stock. On the other hand, if it does fall down, if it holds up above this level right here, then I think you could take a more meaningful position. You know why? Because this is the base right here. Now, last night on Fast Money, they were talking to the, some guy about RenRen. The idea is that the Facebook IPO is going to give, some additional impetus to Ren. Basically, it's going to bring an additional bunch of bids here in this stock. This is a thesis that's been going around for quite a while. If you recall, look back here when Facebook first, announced that it was filing for an IPO. What happened to the stock? Boom. This was like a super easy trade. It actually started here on a volatility squeeze. I started talking about it actually over at Stock Market Mentor on the free stuff, on the free chart of the day. So if you haven't gotten on that list, you need to. It'll make you some money. But look, the stock already has that factored in. I'm not really sure that the IPO is going to bring a whole lot more buyers in than are already here. I would just instead focus on the price pattern. Don't think so much about Facebook. I personally am all kind of Zuckerberged out, but that's just me. Instead, look at support right here. Look at resistance right here. If RenRen starts pushing through that level, particularly if it pushes above the upper Bollinger Band, this is a volatility squeeze that's about to break out. You want to be there. And last but not least is Intel. Brian Kelly is, first move for today. He says you got to buy Intel, and this is key. Stick with what works. Look, Intel has been working. I don't think this is a real huge trading buy right now. I wouldn't say that this is, quote, fast money. I would say buying Amazon is fast money, but that's just me. But you look here, the stock has broken out above this level. Actually, we'll draw it a little bit tighter. You can see the volatility squeeze. It's gone on for quite a while. So I think Intel ultimately moves higher. I don't think you have to rush out and buy it, though. You're probably able to get it closer to the 50-day moving average. That's really what you want to do with Intel. That's it, guys. Okay, that's it for today. A couple things. First of all, get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? There's a lot of great writers over there. I publish articles 4 days a week with 5 charts a day. That's going to give you some good trades. Also, I want you to check out my chart of the day. It's a free service over at stockmarketmentor.com. I send you 1 charting video a day with a good trade. But also one other thing. Look, if you haven't taken advantage of my free 30-day trial, get over there right now and do that. Again, it's free. Like, in other words, there's really nothing to lose. When are you going to find that this day and age? So get over to stockmarketmentor.com. Take that free 30-day trial, and my bet is you're going to stick around. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll be right back here tomorrow.
This market has fewer
Stock
players.
pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to